you see?
Everything. That is my curse.
Oh, how I've missed you, Holmes.
Have you? I barely noticed your absence. I'm knee-deep in the single most important case of my career.
What are we up against here?
The most formidable criminal mind in Europe.
Professor James Moriarty.
If we can stop him, we should prevent the collapse of Western civilization. No pressure.
Who are you two?
Concerned citizens.
Mr. Holmes? I have a feeling you're in danger.
Are you sure you want to play this game? I'm afraid you would lose. Oh dear. What? I agree, it's not my best disguise. You know my methods.
Shall we get to work?
Your clock is ticking.
Do trust me.
No.
Did you just kill my wife?
I timed it perfectly!
Just follow my lead.
Make it count. I'd say that counts.
You do seem
Excited?
manic.
I am.
Verging on
Ecstatic.
Psychotic.
I should have brought you a sedative.